Can't hear you. Arnab Das. Am I audible to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. How many students have joined? Just let me check. Suraj, have you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
I request everyone to turn on their videos, please.
Okay.
Please turn on your videos. What happened? Okay, so as you can all see me here, and am I clearly audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so no one is turning on the video. So I just requested everyone, because this is your first class of this subject, okay? This professional employability skills training program. The name of the subject, okay? The paper that will be appearing, and my name is Namrata Talukdar, and I am a soft skills trainer in the training and development cell of Assam Downtown University. So, is this your first this kind of like soft skills or personality development class you're having, or you had all these classes before? Did you get this class?
No, ma'am.
No.
But
Okay.
we did. But we did a class on management section, which is equally like
Pardon?
same as skill development. Skill development.
Okay. When you did that?
In the last semester,
Okay. What was the name of that subject?
organizational behavior.
Oh, okay. That is a part of your course. You had an
Yes.
exam for that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you are going to learn a lot of different kind of things, okay? Not like if I say what is soft skills, okay? Or if I say like what is this course all about? Now, if you go by the name, okay, professional employability skills training program. So you all are studying engineering, right? So civil engineering, you all you require for a good job is what you require? Good marks and the knowledge of your core subjects, right? The knowledge of your core
Yes, ma'am.
subjects. But if suppose you're going to appear for an interview, okay, now you're in the 5th semester, by 7th semester, you'll be sitting for the campus placements, right? After that, you know everything about civil engineering, okay? But you do not know how to communicate with people, how to put forward your things, how to express your knowledge to others, how to implement your knowledge. Okay, all these things you do not have. So, will you get that job? Do you think any company would hire someone like that only with technical skills? I don't know about, 10, 20 years back. But now you just forget it, because without soft skills or without your personality being developed or having a good personality, without having that, you cannot even sit for an interview. Okay? So that is all we will be learning actually, how to present yourself, okay? How to be employable. Employable means not only that you know civil engineering, you have passed with 90%, that is not at all enough. Okay, so I want everyone to be very serious in this class, okay, and attend this class daily, and not with the motive that you have to appear for an examination. Okay, this is a very different kind of a class, very different kind of a course. Okay, so I'll be sharing the course content as well with you all. So then you can know what kind of topics will be covered and how you will change with time, how your personality will change with time with this class. Okay, so I hope this is the first class, and let me just check out, okay, that some other students are joining or not. I'm stopping my video, huh? My name is Namrata Talukdar, and you all please note down my name as well so that there's no confusion. Just a second. Okay, are the other students able to join? I can see the participant list is here. 26, 25, that means one is me. Suraj, এবাৰ কনফাৰ্ম কৰিবাচোন বাকিবোৰে সোমাব পাৰিছে নাই ক্লাছটো?
Okay, ma'am.
Suraj, are you there?
Okay, ma'am. I'll confirm.
Okay, okay. I think they are here. Notifications are there, so I'm admitting, okay, whoever wants to come to the class. So I'm
Okay.
sharing something, huh, now. Just. Students, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What it is showing? Why
Ma'am, your status, like start a meeting, join a meeting.
that thing only, no?
Yeah.
Now what can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Course content.
Course content you can see, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Just a second. This is visible to all? One more thing, huh? One very important thing I want to share here. I don't know how you do your other classes. You have to be interactive in this class. Okay? You cannot just tell me yes, ma'am, and no, ma'am. Okay? If I'm asking something, please respond appropriately. Okay? Is this
Okay,
screen
ma'am.
visible to everyone?
Ma'am, it is visible.
It is not visible?
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Be clear. Okay? And you have to interact, because today is the first class. I'm not asking anyone anything, but From next class, it will not be like this. Okay. So as you can see here, just follow the course content. Okay. So you must have a idea of what this course is offering you basically. Okay. So here you see. Let me just go to the first semester only. Getting back. Yes, this one. Fifth semester. Can you see this? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first, your first topic is presentation skills. Okay. So now before getting deep into this, okay, I already told you what is the motive of this course. Okay. So when you are here in fifth semester, you'll be having a credit class. Okay. In week per week, it is 2 classes actually, one for section A, one for section B. Okay. So I want that at the end of this course, okay, at the end of this semester, you should feel that you are a confident person. Okay. So all these topics are included in view that you will be a change person, and for engineering students we have designed the curriculum in that manner that you crack the all the interviews, or all the, you're capable of handling formal meetings, you're capable of handling any kind of interview that comes on your way. Okay. So just a second. So first topic here is, actually there is, since this is a very very new thing you are doing, you said that in the last semester you have done one course, organizational behavior. So but that was a part of your civil engineering course. This thing is different. So I would like to first have an introductory class. Okay, that is the introduction of the trainer and the audience. Audience means right now the students. Okay, you are my students, so you are also my audience. So the uh, trainer and the student should be introduced properly. I do not know, I only know Suraj name, and I will be knowing all of your name by, maybe I'll take a month, or maybe in 15 days I will get back to all of you. Okay, I'll know everyone's name. Okay, I can see Arnab, Bijoy, so I'll be more familiar. Okay, so that way our, this interactive thing, or you have any problem, you are not able to present properly PowerPoint presentations, you are not able to express yourself, you can discuss everything with me. Okay, the training and development cell of ADTU is designed in such a way, is for that purpose. Okay, it's for that purpose basically. Okay, is my voice breaking or something? Please get back to me, huh? Tell me. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. You're
Okay. So you can do one thing. Your first point here is introduction and ice breaking. You can write down in your note copies. I wanted everyone to please turn on their videos today. At least today. I'll not ask you to turn on again and again. But today, can you please turn on? If it's a problem, wait a second. Some people are waiting in the lobby. I think I have to admit that first. Huh? Two participants are waiting. Okay, now can you see? Suraj, are you saying anything? I'm not hearing you, but
no. I'm having issue.
network issues. Okay, okay. Now can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. The first one, you can please take out your note copy and write down introduction and ice breaking. ICE, C for cat, E for elephant. Ice breaking. Now you'll ask me what is ice breaking, ma'am? Okay, ice breaking is something that this gap between us today, what we are doing, you are not able to open up properly with me, right? I'm your teacher, but you cannot say all the problems today. Can you tell me? Be honest and tell me.
Ma'am, no.
Can't hear. Others, please speak up. Okay, I will show this course content later on. Let me just have an interactive session only today with you all. Okay, let me just close this because I'm not sharing the screen. Okay, stop sharing. Okay, let me just quickly go through your names. Arnab Das, are you present? Present means are you active or not in the class? I want to check.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bamang Lemba 092.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't hear.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, if you feel that your network is not good, please feel free to use the chat box anytime. Okay? Because I know there are network issues. That's a genuine problem. But that cannot be an excuse to run away from the class. Always be active in this class. Okay? I can ask anyone anything. Okay? So you're not turning off on your videos, but tomorrow or maybe the next class you will have to turn on your videos, okay, whenever I say. So be alert in this class and be in a position that you can turn on the video. I will tell you why. There are a lot of because everything is going online now. Do you agree? Online is in demand. You agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and because if you do not know the rules and regulations of the virtual world, you cannot succeed now. Agor kotha means like, before whatever you did, it was face to face interaction with your teachers. But now you have to follow some rules to succeed, to get to that, even if you want to learn something, your classes, there are some rules to be followed. Okay. So every time, okay, this is 10:30 now. Some people are joining now. I don't understand. I have shared the link, I suppose, at 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock, right? So I don't want these things to happen in a credit class. Okay. From next class, please, everyone join at sharp 10:15. Okay. Okay. So I wanted to know all of you basically. Okay. I request anyone who is not in a position to turn on the video, they need not turn on. But if you are in a position, please turn on the video. It is my request. I will also turn on the video. Okay. You can see me. Can you see me? Yes,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, myself Suraj and I'm from
Suraj.
Nagaon,
Okay. Hello, Suraj.
and I'm here of our section D.
No one else has turned on their video. Only Suraj has turned on. Okay. Then I will also stop. I understand today is the first class, so people are thinking that how is this ma'am? Can we interact with her? But trust me on this, that this class you will enjoy and you will have lot of things to learn that, will really enhance your personality. I know some people, we are there to develop your skills. Skills means what? The qualities that you have but you cannot express. Okay? The qualities are, it is embedded in you but you cannot express. So I want everyone to open up. And first point, as I said, is introduction and ice breaking. That part, I think we will be slowly will be doing it. And in this month, I think we will be completing it also. Okay. maybe in this month you will be really you know me more that Namrata ma'am is there. If you are unable to write one application, if you are unable to write, present something to your other teachers like Saikat sir, Vanita ma'am, they are taking your presentation skills, but you are unable to deliver it properly, whom you will contact? You'll contact Namrata ma'am for that. Okay, I will give you the techniques how to deliver a proper PowerPoint presentation. So all of you are not same, right? All of you are not in a position to do the things equally. Then the second point is your personality development. That is the thing we will be learning in this uh, course actually. Basically, the overall what we do is we groom your personality to an extent that you are ready to sit for any kind of formal meeting, including interviews, including online interviews as well as offline interviews. So personality means what do you understand by personality? Anyone can tell me? Arnab? Arnab Das, BCE 077.
Yes, ma'am.
Personality माने की है? What do you understand by personality? The word personality.
Ma'am,
All of
it is the
be louder a
is
bit.
ma'am, it is the individual characteristics, the patterns of thinking and behaving.
Okay, individual characteristics of patterns and thinking and behaving. Yes,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is more like it. But practically, do you feel that your personality has reached that level that you can face anyone in this world? Who
No,
feels that?
ma'am, not yet.
Not yet, right? So you need to
Yes, ma'am.
develop that, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be telling you all the techniques, okay, all the requirements for a better personality. Okay, so
Okay,
now
ma'am.
some people here, there are 32, 31 students I can see. All of you have different personalities. Okay, some are introvert, some are extrovert, and some are ambivert. Okay, some are now introvert. Now what is introvert? You will ask me. Introvert is someone who likes to keep them to themselves. Okay, they are not keen to talk to anyone. Okay, they just share a very good bond with themselves. Okay, they are more into they enjoy an isolated place. Then second is your, I said, is an extrovert. Some are like they are very keen to talk to others. They go and talk. Hi, how are you today? Everything fine. But an introvert person will not go and call you at first. Okay, so extrovert, introvert, and ambivert is a mix of the two. Okay, some people speak less and listen more, right? So but they also speak. An introvert, they prefer not to speak anything. Okay, so these things are different, but when you land up in your professional life, you cannot say that I am an introvert, I will not talk to you. कब परिबा नेकी ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूं, मैं बात नहीं करूंगा अपने
No,
अपने
ma'am.
सीनियर को, अपने टीचर को? कैन यू से दिस थिंग?
No, ma'am.
You might
Obviously
be an
not.
introvert. Tell me, will you be able to say this? I don't talk to people much. मुझे बात नहीं करनी, तो मैं बात नहीं करूंगा और नहीं करूंगी. Will you say that? Suppose it is your teacher who is asking you something. Please answer properly.
Ma'am, not obviously not.
Obviously not, right? So then you have to change your attitude, okay? That you might be introvert in your personal life. You should not mix the two, the personal and professional. You have to develop that, okay, I might not, but I have to be ready for any kind of question, any kind of question that is given to me, okay? Any kind of question that is put forward to me, I'll have to answer that. I cannot bring my personality in between here. Okay, so here attitude change is required. So this is the second point, the personality, how to develop your personality and how to deal with the situations. We'll learn about that. Then the third point is Personal, you can write all this in a notebook. Everyone, please take out a note copy. Write first point is introduction and ice breaking. Second point is personality development. Written? If you have written, please write down in the chat box, done. If you have written this too. Done. Okay. First one is introduction. Then second is personality development. Third point is personal grooming and hygiene. Write down personal grooming and hygiene. Hygiene. Written? Please someone write down done. If anyone can write, then please share it among yourselves. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. Then positive attitude. Positive attitude, number 4. If you have written, please write down done. Done, ma'am. Okay, Livika, thank you. Then dress code. Dress, D-R-E-S-S. Okay, what you wear, dress. Code, C-O-D-E. Code, ethics. E-T-H-I-C-S. Dress code, ethics. Written? Okay, thank you. Then interpersonal skills. Interpersonal, I-N-T-E-R-P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L. Interpersonal skills. In bracket, write down time, comma, anger, and self-management. Time, comma, anger, and self-management. Written? Thank you, Livika. Thank you, Arnab. Number 7, presentation skills. Presentation skills. Written? Suraj or Livika? Okay, thank you. Presentation skills is number 7. Number 8, goal setting. G-O-A-L, goal setting. S-E-T-T-I-N-G. Goal setting, that is, you set your aim. Okay. This is basically the topics. Okay, please keep a note of it. You can also type it in your computer and keep it like your professional employability skills training program syllabus. Okay, like that you can write. Goal setting done. Number 8 done. Na? You can also unmute and tell me someone. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Number 9. Team management. T-E-A-M. Team management. Team management. Done? Thames.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Then number 10, okay? Last but very, very important point. Okay, very, very important topic. Interview skills. Interview skills and effective. E-F-F-E-C-T-I-V-E. Effective feedback. Interview skills and effective feedback. Let me write this down. No? This is a bit. This is the chat. Interview skills.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what was the second point?
Second point, personality development, Viproji.
Okay, ma'am.
You got this in the chat box? The last point, everyone? Okay. Got it, na? So these 10 topics notes, PowerPoint presentation, anything, any question, or your exams will be based on these 10 topics only. Understood? Clear? समझ में आ रहा है?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And one more thing I would like to say, here. So I have completed 10, na? First one is I'll just repeat, quickly I will repeat. Introduction and ice breaking. Second is personality development. Third is personal grooming and hygiene. Okay. Then positive attitude. Then dress code ethics. Interpersonal skills, bracket time, anger and self-management. Self-management. Presentation skills, then goal setting, team management, interview skills and effective feedback. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait for 1 minute. Wait. Yeah. So these topics, okay, you will be having an exam, like your other credit papers. The questions, the self-made videos, everything is available in ERP, okay? But I'll be explaining each topic and I'll be going depth. Any question regarding these topics, I'll be explaining each topic one by one to all of you, okay? So this is about it. This is the 10 topics we'll be covering, okay? And one more thing I would like to say here to everyone that there's a language problem, okay? Everyone thinks that English में बात करने से smart बन जाते हैं. Do you agree to this statement? We generally think like that, right? Do you agree or not? How many of you agree?
Ma'am, no.
You do not agree. Okay. Yeah, that is the thing. We think that, okay, but now the worldwide, if we think that, a general concept is that everywhere, now suppose we are in Assam, right? Assamese, Hindi and English will be more acceptable, right? More acceptable in the sense, more understandable for our better communication. Suppose we go to Chennai or Delhi or any other place. Which two languages will help you the most? Tell me.
Indian English.
Yes, Hindi and English. So, we will be continuing this class in English only, okay? But suppose you are not able to get some terms I am using, feel free to ask me this in Hindi or Assamese or whichever. I know 4 languages, okay? I know Bengali, I know English, I know Hindi, and I know Assamese, okay? My mother tongue is Assamese. So you can ask me in any language. Do not hesitate that English में थोड़ी बनवाएं, English में बात करना तो ठीक से नहीं आता, मैम को नहीं पूछेंगे. So your confusion will remain like that. You'll never learn. So do not hesitate to ask me anything, okay? I'm there to help you only, also to brush up your English, because if you talk to me regularly now, I'm sure that your English will also be getting better and better. Do you agree this or not? That I know that communication can be done in any language. Even if you express your problems in Hindi properly, but you have to know the techniques, now how to express. For that, communication skills are required. And for that, and for English, I'm saying English and Hindi, I'll be stressing more because it will help you even if you go outside your state. Okay? You have to be fluent and understandable to other people so that no miscommunication, no misunderstanding ever happens. Because language barrier is a big barrier. Barrier means big obstacle. Okay? Have you understood, students? Am I able to explain properly to you that what this class is all about and what you are going to learn?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Yes. Others, please respond. Amarjit, Ani. Network problem, if you have, please respond in the chat box. And I'll be sharing notes as well for every topic, like personality development. I'll be sharing PPT in our group is there now. For both section A and B, there are different groups. And there are 47 students now, Suraj. Today, very less students are joined, I can see. I want everyone has to join this. It's about attendance also. It will be marked in ERP. Okay. Please inform them that they cannot afford to be absent. Okay, and they have to give
Ma'am,
reason why they are absent if they are regularly absent. So this is one thing about I will be sharing notes. Okay, I'll be sharing the PPT in our groups so that it's easy for all of you to, if you want to know some topic, and sessional exams will be there, I suppose. Then also I'll be providing all the questions and the, notes which will help you. I don't know when the sessionals, your department sessionals, do you know when it is there? Yes, do you know that?
No, ma'am.
Can't hear anyone. Yes. What happened? Do you have any idea about the sessionals? No idea.
Ma'am, no idea.
Okay, okay, great then. Maybe, but you will be having sessionals for this subject as well. So from the next class, I'll be starting a PPT on the personality development and the possible questions of personality development. And if required, I'll be sharing notes as well. Okay, I'll be sharing some notes. And let me go to the course content once again. Let me try to share this. Can you see the screen? This syllabus screen again?
no, ma'am.
No. What you can see?
It shows some folder and like
Oh, acha.
some PPT.
Sharing this one. Okay, if I share my entire screen, okay. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, na? Go to your fifth semester once again. Now see this first, the topic presentation skills. Which number topic it was? Anyone can tell me? You just wrote it down.
7.
7, yes. So these are the things we will be covering, okay? Fear of public speaking. Now, public speaking means what? When you are giving a speech, okay, or you are giving a presentation in front of at least 10 people or more than 10 people, it becomes public, okay? So obviously it is very, very, natural to get nervous, very natural to get nervous. But if you prolong it, okay, your nervousness is prolonged, okay, you are regularly nervous in your presentations, you will never have a good impression to the people who wants to take you or hire you, okay, even in the this your semester, okay, semester presentations, your seminars or your other things, you will have to overcome that fear so that when you go to that big world of professionalism, you will no more have that fear. Understood? So fear of public speaking, how to overcome it. Because I know I have seen students shiver, I have seen students that cannot even say, you have made a great presentation. Okay, your PowerPoint presentation is full of nice slides, nice diagrams, but you are unable to speak anything. So how it will appear? It will not be good, right? Your teachers, your other colleagues, your teachers, students, your friends, classmates will not understand anything because that is your PPT. You have made that. How we are supposed to know what is under that? A diagram is there, suppose for bolts and connections, okay? So bolts and connection, what is that? I am a layman. I'm a soft skills trainer. I don't know what is bolts and connections, right? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that kind of thing should not occur. Okay. You have to give the correct information to the audience so that they, in one shot, they understand, okay, he wants to say this. If you say that the bold, if you have a very low voice and you do not know exactly what is happening in the PPT, yes, first of all, you have to know what is there. Then your presentation skills comes. How you present it? What is a bolt? What is a connection? How will you say that? With a great voice first. Okay, your voice should be audible to everyone. Then a proper information has to be given with your communication skills. So this fear of public speaking we will be doing continuing in the next class. Okay, this presentation skills only I am starting first. Okay, the number 7, just mark it. I'm starting this only. Just mark it. So this point, fear of public speaking, we'll be doing it, and all the topics. Okay, I'll try to cover at least 10 topics. Okay, means under this presentation skills. Okay, the meeting will end for all participants in 5 minutes. I think I should end this class today. So what we have done today, presentation skills. Okay, number 7 point, and first topic is fear of public speaking. All right. So thank you, students. It was great knowing you all. And we will have, I hope that I can really help you develop your personality, have all the skills required. Okay. So I think I will end the meeting now, and I will have to mark the attendance as well in ERP. Okay. The 30 students are present. So Suraj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just do me a favor. Today, for today only, in the group, you give me all the names who are present today. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
With the roll numbers. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. It was great knowing you all. And this is the first class. I hope we'll be meeting next week, Thursday, 10:15, section B. Okay? Do remember? Yeah. Your routine has not changed. Okay? For soft skills class. You might be having combined, but for my class, it's not combined. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. আৰু ভিডিঅ' অন কৰিব লাগিব দেই নেক্সট ক্লাছ
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
য়েছ
Okay, ma'am.